abanyene chinyumba cy'Abararia nigo bono baburiwe kwenekia abarari mbabwate bima yobochenu kwegerera kwabesikero bakwegenderia se emiroberio yabo ase emiroberio yabo tambe ukuno kuburia kwarurwe n'ikyombe ky'abariki inse ya Kenya Media Sector Working Group abubono ase BAMOCHIRIE OGOSAGANWA okwenekiwa ase abarari CHINGAKI barase emirimo yabo hanene ekero bakubwate chiroboti cyo chikorobeka cyokorobekana nigo boigo BAMOCHIRIE abanyanyimbo ase gusinyo koba oborendi boisaine muri kitoli nyambane nwarenga sigikarekyo.
In the recent past, journalists and media workers in the region have endured a barrage of attacks from state agents, politicians and organized gangs. This dangerous trend must stop now.
Ekyombe kya Abararia gya Kenya Media Sector Working Group kyagikeirie OGOSAGANWA n'okunereriwa kwa Abararia oku kwaberego kwenekigwa ase amatukabwangwega CHINGAKI bare ase emeremo yabo.
The media is an important player in any political process, and the truth is sacred that journalists must safeguard in pursuit of their calling to serve public good.
Gukwana ase omucho Nairobi abarayi bekyombekyo niko batebire Abararia bari bonsi banyorete chingoma nogwa kwa CHINGAKI barenge asokorobekana nigo babwenete kwegwa efidia yabo CHINGAKI chiamate chinde chikonyora obokonyobu.
We have journalists and media workers who are also injured in line of duty when they are covering this protest, and therefore we are saying that these people too must be compensated and must be included in the list of those people who are going to benefit from this compensation plan by the state. We all know that that panel led by Professor Makao Mutua and Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, they have already started the process of preparing a list of the people who are going to benefit from the 10 billion shillings that have been allocated. Journalists and media workers too must also benefit from that kitty. So that is the position that we are taking today.
CHINGAKI echiechyo baruro kuboria gochia asebaria barigete Abararia emeremo kwenekia Abararia bumba bwate chibima chobochenu.
Ensure that their employees have a basic medical insurance so that when they go out there to do their job and unfortunately they're involved in an accident, then they are well catered for. We do not have to engage in fundraising for media professionals who are actually employed. So we are seeking and we are appealing to media owners to ensure that they implement basic policies that safeguard the well-being of their employees. It is deeply irresponsible that media owners and newsroom managers are deploying journalists to highly volatile and traumatic assignments, such as the recent Gen Z protests, the harrowing recovery of bodies at Kware, and high-octane political rallies without any medical insurance. Equipping a reporter with merely a helmet and a bulletproof vest while denying them a health safety net is akin to signing their death sentence. We cannot advocate for press freedom while ignoring the welfare of our own.
Nonye nabo baruro kuboria gochia ase abanyanyimbo kubatingeria oborendi CHINGAKI bare ase emeremo yabo.
Tumeona kwamba kuna zile genge ya vijana ambao wamekuwa wakivamia wanahabari katika mikutano za kisiasa. Tunasema kwamba polisi lazima hakikisha kwamba wanahabari wanalindwa wakati wanapofanya kazi yao ili wasishambuliwe na vitu zao za kufanya kazi ama vyombo zao kufanya kazi zisiharibiwe, kwa sababu tumeona kwamba wakati hao vijana wanapovamia watu katika mikutano za kisiasa, cha kwanza huwa wanavamia wanahabari, wanavunja kamera zao na recorders zao ili waanze kuficha ukweli. Kwa hivyo tunasema kwamba hiyo lazima ikome na polisi lazima hakikisha kwamba wanahabari wako na usalama.
Ekerekyo nigo boigo batebirie abanyene chinyumba cy'Abararia kwenekia CHINGAKI abakora emirimo bande bakomentwa engeria na Abararia na barabon komentwa bare engeria yabo.
So we are also urging the media owners to ensure that even journalists also benefit from all these things that are coming from the government, so that journalists' salaries should also go by at least 12%, so that it should not just be a selective application of justice, like I said, that some of these pronouncements are coming from the government, but the journalists are not benefiting. So the president said that general wages, that is salaries of every worker in Kenya, should go up by 12%. So we are also expecting that the media owners and the companies where journalists are working also implement this, so that journalists also are able to benefit just like any other Kenyans.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase kaunti ya Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.